So Wyoming is unique in how we provide special education services for 3 to 5-year-olds. Wyoming does not have a state-funded preschool system, so our Part B 619 services are provided through 14 regional child development centers. As part of our continued scale-up of data-based individualization based on stakeholder feedback, as well as input from the Wyoming Advisory Panel for Students with Disabilities, the Wyoming Department of Education established 2 demonstration sites within child development centers in the state. Our plan was to explore the impact of DBI with preschool-age children, analyze the applicability of the framework with the 3 to 5-year-old population group, and assess the benefits of using the framework within a continuum of services. DBI within the identified child development centers followed a very similar implementation model, which we'd been using with our target district and other entities in the state. The major difference was in how we introduced the teaming model. In our district or our target districts, we developed and delivered training over the core components of DBI, and once our practitioners had enough data, we would then introduce them to the teaming process as a way to make timely data-based decisions on adaptations to interventions for their students. In the CDCs, we introduced the practitioners to the teaming process at the outset to assist in fostering increased communication and team-based decisions throughout the training process. This change in our implementation model was mainly due to the expressed needs of the CDC staff and because child development centers have a significantly smaller number of staff than do districts. As I previously mentioned, our initial intent was to explore the impact of DBI on preschool-age children and assess its applicability. I am very happy to say we were certainly able to demonstrate its applicability and positive impact with the majority of students who were selected to participate in the project. Through our work, we found that CDC staff communicated better, made better informed and more intentional programming decisions for students, but we also discovered a number of unintended but very positive impacts as a result of the process. One of the CDC demonstration sites had been chosen because they feed our target district. This pairing led to an increased communication and collaboration between both the CDC and the district, which in turn resulted in better CDC program alignment with the district's kindergarten standards. And the cross-agency teaming resulted in better discussion of student need and led to more seamless, purposeful transition services being established to support students as they move from the pre-K environment to the district.